This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Susan Pender. The best of both worlds. Waterfront and beautiful golf course views of the Princess Anne Country Club. Gorgeous traditional brick home on a beautiful 1+ acre cul-de-sac site with heated swimming pool and pool house. Wonderful floor plan with over 4,200 square feet, 5 bedrooms and 4 full bathrooms, office, spacious rooms with gorgeous moldings and high ceilings, 2 fireplaces, hardwood floors and natural gas generator. Great location just a short distance to the oceanfront beaches, boardwalk and restaurants. November 14, 2024. For more information, review the details below.